Welcome to Whispers. So, Tinubu is admitting Assad is facing challenges in the court. So it's like from all indication, things has gone west. Things are not going according to plan. For him to have come out and admit that they are indeed facing challenges in the court. This is to be expected because there are damning evidences. All the allegations, and the evidences, and I remember the tribunal, they accepted all the evidences given, and these damning, glaring evidences. So he has his plan A, B, C. So, but from what I don't think he has any plan, anyways. But because he's a corny man, corny wayo, he's a wayo man. As Omo Iko is claiming, it's appearing to him now that his permutations, his calculations is too negative. It's not gonna be business as usual. So, let's find out what he's up to. I know he's up to no good, so come along with me. Let's find out what he's up to. So, we are facing challenges in court, Tinubu admits. Self-select Bola Tinubu has admitted that he is facing challenges in court over the outcome of the 2023 elections. The election that he bought, the election that was rigged for him by is truly Professor Yakubu. Speaking on Thursday, Tinubu said he was aware some people baited him before the poll, stressing that he deliberately honored their wishes to prove he can still win pretty in spite of the obstacle. So this is him speaking Actually, this admittance was when he was addressing his party members. So he said he was baited. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé wọ́n dẹ páńpẹ́ lẹ̀ fún. Òun lòun wá mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ tìka lára òun kó sí láti fi hàn wọ́n pé òun máa lè win. Kò sí nǹkan kan tí wọ́n ṣe. And that he said it. I think it's in Ogun State or something. A máa dìbò. Òun dẹ̀ máa wọlé. Owó wà kò sówó, epo wà kò sépo. I think this was made that during the time of Naira scarcity. Pé òun máa dìbò. Òun dẹ̀ máa wọlé. So he said it. So, yeah. The president made the revelation in his address during the meeting of the National Executive Committee that produced former Governor of Kano State, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, and spokesperson of the Ninth Senate, Senator Jibola Bashir, as the new national chairman and secretary of the APC, respectively. Tinubu also defended the legitimacy of the 2023 poll, warning that it's so full of it. Ojore lójú. Kumoroso akosoro shakala, warning that those still struggling to accept the outcome of the free and fair election wo ó wá jẹ́ bí June 12 kò kí ló free kí ló fair that people were threatened àwọn èèyàn, people were beaten, people were wounded, people were killed. Some of the ballot papers were thrown in the gutter, some were snatched, some were burnt. So what is free and fair about that? All the fireworks, is it the tribal one? Is it the religious one? Everything was thrown at it. It wasn't. It was, as far as I'm concerned, ever since I have been alive, now, I mean, it's June 12 now. Even the, Operation Wenteg, I don't think it's this bad. This one was terrible. The worst of the worstest so far. It wasn't free and fair at all. Tinubu, why are you deceiving yourself? You people, you practically cut out the people from this election. It was within from caucus to caucus. You people, you had delegates. You were buying and selling as if you are in a commodity market. It was sold to the highest bidder. So they come and say the freest and fairest. Excuse me. And what were you saying? You're saying that and you were warning. If anybody should be warned, it's you. That those still struggling to accept the outcome of the free and fair election don't deserve the joy of victory. It is you. You are just speaking to yourself. It's you. Ìwọ lọ̀rọ̀ yẹn gan bá wí. Sórí pẹ̀tẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó nù ní pọ̀pá yìí. Ìwọ ló bá wí. Mo ṣe bí ìwọ ló contest. Wọ́n ṣàrúmọjẹ wọ́n ló win. Síbẹ̀ náà inú òdùn, inú abímọ kú ìdùn. Inú òdùn náà. Ìlú kan gógó ni. Inú fún àyàfu náà fi gbé ẹ débẹ̀. Náà fi ṣe swearing pé kìnnìkan. Ìlú kan gógó dàbí ìgbà tó fọṣẹ́. Even up till now, the atmosphere is so tense. So if anything, ìwọ gángan lọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí. Ìwọ ló bá wí. You don't deserve the joy of victory because you weren't victorious at all. It was manipulated. It was rigged. Instead, some people baited us, but we honored their wishes and yet coasted to victory. Coasted to victory, kaka. Coasted to victory, kaka. You were like, instead of buying the electorate, okuku fẹ́ kan ra INEC, and that was what you did. Ora INEC pani now. So, excuse me, what's it because? Yes, we are facing challenges in court. And I see this is one of the freest and fairest elections in the history of Irolopa. Baba ńlá ìyálà ìyá Irolopa. Ṣé orí ẹ gbogbo ẹ ló kó ara ẹ òpùrọ́ ni ẹ? You are no good. You're bad news. There's nothing good about you. Can you imagine? Ohun tó dáa wọlé. Ohun tó dáa wọlé. Wọ́n sọ pé ń face challenges. That is why it is important. Àníṣe, ńgbà tó mọ̀ pé o máa need education. Kí ló fi ń ṣèyàn? Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ọ̀rẹ́ nìkankan bí ẹ. You know that kind of a way you were adopted, but you no opportunity láti jáde. Ṣé ìwọ ló kọ́kọ́ lórí olórí jáde ni? But ìgbà tó dé ìlú òyìnbó ojú ẹran mo wó. Tó yẹ kó tú ṣàrẹ̀ up, kó lọ sí school, kó get education. kó wà qualified in a particular profession, but irọ́ ni o, deal drugs àti credit card ló ń ṣe dáadáa, ló ń ṣe káàkiri. Drugs àti credit card ló ń ṣe káàkiri títí ṣàǹgbá fi fọ́. Ṣàǹgbá fọ́ báyìí ọmọ òbí kérésì ló dé Nàìjíríà. But ìgbà tó dìde pé Nàìjíríà their mentality tó bá ti rí diaspora tó padà báyìí wọ́n máa sọ́dọ̀ náà ni. Kọ́ ló ṣe rápálá wọnú politics ni. Ńgbà tó mọ̀ pé certificate máa wà important ṣe kí ló ṣe tó padà sí school? Kí ló dé tó padà sí school tó jẹ́ pé according to your country's constitution wọ́n léèyàn tó bá ti dáràn rí kò lè contest. Wọ́n ní the least requirement is primary school. O ò ní primary school, o ò ní secondary school, o ò ní university. O wá resort to faking. You so much faked. You use your past to fake out your present. Ó wá fake ó ti wò pé nǹkan orúkọ tó bá wọ ọmọ lọmọ ń jẹ́ lẹ́yìn òdì ó ṣayé ẹ̀ rádaràdà tó ṣe báṣubàṣu. Ó wá wò pé yes kí ni quick getaway politics ni. You are looking for power, you are looking for immunity. Ó ti gbà pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe ń gbà yẹn ó tó máa sọ fún yẹn pé wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbodè olè òní kó òun ló wá dúró díẹ̀ yìí gbogbo ẹ̀ ló dúró díẹ̀ níbodè. You wanna go, you're dying to go, but your forgery is holding you back, your drug case is holding you back, you suffer from only identity crisis. You can't be kò sẹ́ni lẹ́nì kọ́kọ́ tẹ́ ẹjọ́ dàgbà ní kékeré tó tẹ̀ máa ní mo mọ lágbájá o wọn ò mọ̀ ẹ́ wọn ò mọ orúkọ ẹ wọn ò mọ̀ yẹ́ ẹ wọn ò mọ bàbá ẹ o ò mọ éèjì ẹ gbogbo ibi tó sùn gbogbo ibi tó fèkì tó sọ pé o ti ṣiṣẹ́ kò sí kankan tó tálì. Níbo ló ti wá ta ló bí ẹ níbo náà ti bí ẹ ta ló ṣẹ̀ ẹ́ lẹ̀ ta ń bá ẹ ta nìyẹ́ ẹ. Olóò lọ sí yunifásitì ní Chicago ńgbà tó lọ wo obìnrin ló lọ sí yunifásitì ní Chicago ọkùnrin dẹ̀ ni wọ́n. Olóò ṣe NYSC nígbà tí wọ́n lọ wo orúkọ ẹni tó wà ní NYSC Adékúnlé wà ń bẹ̀ ó ṣe à ń fatamọ́ mátamọ́. Olóò ṣiṣẹ́ níbi kan gbà tó débẹ̀ o ò ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ kí ló dé ná. O wá lóun fèsì challenge ó máa fèsì challenge o fẹ́ fèsì challenge pa ni. Challenge ló ń gbé tó ti múùfù kúrò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ challenge lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àpáta tó wá complicate case fún ẹ dáadáa. Ó tún wá complicate case fún ẹ dáadáa. Ìwọ ló ṣe rẹ̀ ìwọ ló ṣe rẹ̀ pa. As a Democrat ìwọ Democrat stooge ni ẹ. Those who cannot accept the result of a free and fair election do not deserve the joy of it. Ìwọ gan lọ̀rọ̀ yìí bá wí because àga tó jókòó sí yẹn kò kí ń ṣàga ẹ. Oúnjẹ àìtọ́ ló ń jẹ ipò tó wà yẹn ìwọ ló tó rẹ̀ sí Ọlọ́run ò tó ẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ tọ́lọ́run bá tó ẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mi ò rò pé wàhálà yìí máa pọ̀ tó báyìí tó jẹ́ pé kàkà kó dà lára ìyá àjẹ́ báyìí obìnrin ló ń bí jọ kàkà kó dà lára ewé àgbọn báyìí ó tún ń pele sí ni. Deserve the joy of victory torí fìdí rẹmi lóní we've worked hard and we have received the trophy. What trophy? Receive a trophy kankan. If anything ẹ̀sìn wọ́n ń ṣẹlẹ́yà káàkiri ní àti wá àti APC ṣe bí wọ́n wọ́n ló máa gbé tẹ́kítẹ́ wọn ní ẹni tó mọ̀nà ní ká tẹ̀lé sọ́nà tó ìgbẹ́ ló ń gbé wọn wọ̀ yìí ìgbẹ́ òun ló gbé wọn wọ̀ yìí náà wọ́n ní kẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ gbọ́wẹ̀ kó má lọ gbé wọn wọ̀ ó ti gbé wọn wọ̀ gbẹ́ náà òun mọ̀nà kọ́kọ́ I mean you were so òun ní owó kan hype ariwo ó ní experience, ó ní kíní kan, just 2 months. Oh, sure, pé ọmọ, oh, ní nothing. You have nothing to, well, your manifesto, you didn't say anything. You have nothing to offer. All you have is toggery, agberoism, greedism, emilokoism, kí tún ni náà? Scruffism, radaradaism, oshisco nonsensism, mannerless, uncultured, nǹkan tó ní to offer nìyẹn. Other than that, it takes, ó ní láti wà educated. Ṣé bí wọ́n tẹ̀ sọ pé téèyàn ò bá kàwé kó kan gbóorí? Téèyàn ò bá kàwé kó kan gbóorí, ó kàwé ò tún kan gbóorí. Ọgbọ́n jàǹbá, ìjàpá tí ìrókò, ọgbọ́n jàǹbá ló gbọ́n. Ọgbọ́n àlùmọ̀ǹkọ́rọ́ yìí kò já nǹkan gbà, kò dá gidigidi, kò dá gidi bolẹ̀, kò dá aṣọ bolẹ̀. Ọgbọ́n tó gbọ́n nìyẹn. Snatching from the masses. Ọgbọ́n tó gbọ́n nìyẹn. Máa fara nìyàn. Ọgbọ́n tó gbọ́n nìyẹn. So, no. What can hype, Penny? There's nothing to you. You're nothing. There's nothing. Because there's nothing special about you. As a matter of fact, you are not it. Oh no. What can hype, Penny? You going for the presidency, this so-called nuisance, show of shame. Okay, expose that. Your nyash like this now, so your nyash dey for outside though. No, he dey outside. Gbogbo àṣẹ tip of the iceberg ti ẹ̀ ní ti tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n ọmọ ẹ̀ náà who know you. Kò sẹ́ni mọ̀ ẹ̀ náà. Mọ̀sùlùgbà lágídí tó fẹ́ popular, ó ti wá popular báyìí. Even at that, wọn ò rí nǹkan tó dáa, wọn ò rí sọ́npa ẹ̀. Gbogbo wà rádaràda, gbogbo youthful exuberance tó ti fi gbé ìwé ẹ̀. Ó ló gbé ìwé ẹ̀ dáadáa, ìgbà àgbẹ̀ gan-an rédèrèdè ni. Even pẹ̀lú the so-called owó tó ní àti kìnnì kò hàn lára ẹ̀. Ó dàbí arànú. Ó dàbí ẹni tó ń fọwọ́ nù lára. Ó popular o. Ọ̀nà ó lẹ́ran ọ̀fẹ́ lára bíi tí wù ọmọ. You are not a leader. You are not a leader. Whether naturally or trained though, you are not a leader. Ó ní traits yẹn. If anything, you are a blackmailer. Ráwọn tó yàn sí ìjọba ni àwọn tó mọ̀ pé yes, o ní dirt on them. You like digging up dirt on people. Because you're filthy. You filthy animal. Because you're filthy too. Show me your friend. I know the kind of person that you are. Look at the type of people surrounding your table. Criminals, miscreants, social misfits. Political criminals, political looters. People that are not, they are not there to serve the people. They are just there. You are not there to serve the people. You are just there for yourself and your cronies. Jonathan tó fúngbìn rẹ̀ lọ́tí ni ló jẹ́ kó máa sọ pé give me another tumbler. Jonathan ló jẹ́ kó jọ ẹran mọ́ Aso Rock. Ó sì ti wá débẹ̀ ní tí ó ti wá rí pé no be mọ́ínmọ́ín. No be mọ́ínmọ́ín, no be ṣeré. Ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ gbogbo yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ wà ní retirement home. Gbogbo yín náà lẹ́kún ECOWAS. Láṣẹ pé kò sọmọ kékeré nù. Gbogbo àgbàlagbà tó bá ti ní ọmọ kékeré lòun ó mọ̀ fi ragbà padà. Orí ọmọdé òní jó dàgbà. Orí kí ló dé náà? Just imagine. Winning the election is okay. Trophy wo ló gbà ju ti jù lọ? Disgrace. Ṣorí tí ìjú irrelevant. Ọlọ́run káwọ́ sọ pé contest ni wàá ṣì wà politically relevant. Now politically you are irrelevant. You are irrelevant. Relevant. Relevancy ẹ o ti lose ẹ. O ti lose ẹ. Ṣé o dẹ̀rọ̀ dọ̀ àwọn Haúsá tó lẹ́yìn mo sọ fún ẹ̀ ń jọ sí pé ẹjọ́ máa ṣú ara yín sẹ́. Ẹjọ́ máa hanra yín lè mọ̀. Ọlọ́run gan mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n sọ pé winning an election is the first part of the process. What is next is good governance. Mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ good governance and quality service delivery. Quality service delivery. You see, it's like talk is cheap. If you talk the talk, you walk the walk. Okay? You're saying all the right thing, but you're saying all the things that need to be said. But when it comes to doing, you are doing the exact opposite. But when you open you're a smooth operator, of course, I'm a town, I'm a echo. Of course, but talk is cheap. When it comes to performance, when it comes to delivery, you're nowhere to be found because you're not educated. Education ṣe pàtàkì. Wọ́n ti sọ pé if tó bá ti kàwé, ó yẹ kó lọ́gbọ́n orí, kó ka ọgbọ́n orí, mo ka ọgbọ́n orí mi, ibẹ̀ mi náà ní torí pé kí ni lóore dáadáa. Lóore dáadáa tọ́ ààrẹ àgbà ó ti dé bẹ́ẹ̀. Ààrẹ àgbà ti dé bẹ́ẹ̀ so gbogbo youthful exuberance gbogbo nǹkan so called function miracle because according to them wọ́n ní miracle worker ní so called miracle tó perform nígbè ìwé ẹ̀. Torí pé lò dáadáa ààrẹ àgbà ti dé sẹ́ so lè perform. Lè perform on struggle. You're really struggling but no. But ara ti kọ́ bó darí ó ti dẹ́lẹ̀. Bó ṣe wà yẹn France ló gbé ẹrú. Wọ́n máa tó gbé ẹ lọ sìn. Wọ́n á tó gbé ẹ lọ tàbí kán yọ wọlé kán wá treat ẹ. So excuse me. Wà capable fún position tó wà yẹn. Wà fit for purpose. Tó yẹ kó lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́ kó retire bọ́tẹ̀. O ṣàfẹ́ kú as a presidency. Okay. It's all good. It's your choice. It's your call. Kí ló tún sọ? We must promote unity, peace, and love among all organs of the party. Of course, party náà ni. Nídìí láti promote peace and love amongst the masses, amongst the populace. No dàbẹ̀ ni pé party president ló jẹ́. You are the makers and drivers of the party, of course. Àwọn ni kingmaker náà ṣe máa náà gbé ẹ débẹ̀. When all passengers are inside the bus, the driver must not fall asleep. Don't you fall? It's an accident now. Right of accident. Kódà kò sẹ́ni survive nù yín. Nílé ìtẹ́kọ̀ sí, the driver must not fall asleep. Driver to first sleep pa ni. The brake must also work well. Brake tó ti fail na today. E don dey. Story for the gods. Party loyalty must exist. Loyalty. You don't so party loyalty. Are you even loyal? Loyal now. Loyal now. Wọ́n sọ pé you're facing challenges in court. Even constitution yìí. Constitution yìí. Respect the constitution now. Even your party constitution. Respect. Ṣó wá rí. Wá clear say me personally pé you're a you are a desperate ju desperado lọ níbi tó wà báyìí sìn. In your desperation orí ìgà rẹ̀ in your desperation wọ́n announce before the counting kọ́tẹ̀ tó conclude kìíní wọ́n announce in your desperation Buhari kan Buhari èmi ló kàn in your desperation ó wá gbódó mi ọkàn ò balẹ̀ ó débẹ̀ gàràgàrà ó rò pé nà mọ́ínmọ́ín òun subsidy ó yọ kúrò ó promise lórí irọ́ oṣù oríṣiríṣi báyìí sí wọ́n sọ kíríkà go to court ìwọ ló ní kó lọ sí court so má sọ pé you're facing challenges in court ìwọ ló ní kó lọ sí court but ó rò pé it's gonna be business as usual kò business as usual now because nígbà tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní nígbà tí wọ́n ṣí your can of worms tó wá hit nígbà tí your shit tó hit the fan òun ẹ̀ ò tí kúrò òun ẹ̀ ti wá kúrò ní Naija ṣe òun ẹ̀ was locally ó ti wá spread internationally now it's always global now it's all over the world ló tún wá wò pé kí ló tún lè ṣe o ọmọ yìí kó ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìjàmbá pọ̀ ìwà ni yes o ti discover loophole in the constitution tó sọ yìí pé if the federation is at war in which the territory of Nigeria is physically involved and the president consider that it is not practicable to hold elections, the National Assembly may by resolution extend the period of 4 years mentioned in subsection 2 of the section from time to time, but no such extension shall exceed a period of 6 months at any one time. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn because o ti rí pé from your so-called challenges in the court from all indication ṣùgbọ́n pọ̀ ń pariwo yes rerun ó rí pé tó bá máa ṣe rerun ó ti jákulẹ̀ ò lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀. The rerun is gonna be, if they're gonna have a rerun, it's gonna be between Atiku and Obi. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe lọ kojú bọ ọ̀rọ̀ Nìjẹ́ tí ó kàn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ tí ó kàn ẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Àwọn ECOWAS náà kí ìṣẹ́jọ́ àwọn ECOWAS ni tí wọn ò jẹ́ kí outcome wọ́n lè fẹ́ lómi ìsìn náà as interim tí wọn ò jẹ́ kí outcome court jáde tó sáré gbé kó tó sáré wọ́n sáré fi ẹ́ sí bó ṣe sáré wọlé òwò ló pàṣẹ oyin ọkọ̀ pàrọ̀ ni wọn náà sáré lòun sáré sọ pé yes kíníkan you are going to war torí o ti wò pé yes o tún lè lò yẹn nígbà tí wọ́n bá wà wọn ní lè rerun the election whether legitimate or illegitimate wàá máa ṣe presidency lọ you're seeking legitimacy ó lè ní ló ṣe kúkú wá fẹ́ kọ́ sọ pé kàkà kíkú mọ́ jẹ̀sẹ̀sẹ̀ ó yà kù síbẹ̀ ni ló ṣe fẹ́ pa gbogbo populace báyìí ló fẹ́ pa gbogbo populace sógun àìmọ̀dí sógun tí ó kàn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ tí ó kàn wọ́n lẹ́sẹ̀ ó yẹ kó o gbé jẹ́ forí tí wo eléyìí tó ń purọ́ tán rẹ tó sọ pé ẹ̀tọ́ bá yọ ẹ́ ní kíní anarchy mọ̀mọ́ kò lè sí anarchy kankan anarchy bó ta ni ẹ́ kí lorúkọ ṣe ń lé aláró anarchy pé nígbà tó wọ gbé rẹ̀ síbẹ̀ lọ́nà àìtọ́ ṣé ìgboro dàrú náà wọ́n dáṣọ ojú rẹ̀ wọ́n wo ibi tí yà máa jẹ́ lára ẹ̀ wọ́n ń wo ẹ̀sìn tó máa ṣe sórí pé àwọn èèyàn ò sọ̀rọ̀ sórí pé wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ sórí pé wọn ò tẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé wọ́n gbọ́ so má tán rẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá yọ ẹ́ kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ìgboro ò lè dàrú kankan if anything tí àwọn judiciary tó bá dájọ́ ìdáadáa bó ṣe yẹ kàn dá putting into consideration gbogbo ẹ̀rí tí wọ́n kó síwájú wọn tí wọ́n bá gbé ẹ kúrò lẹ́ni oh my god ṣé orí ti nìjẹ́ orí tínú wọn ṣe dùn nígbà tí wọ́n yọ bàbún kúrò ńbẹ tó ró ni wọ́n lára. Orí those people are still waxing stronger by the day. Wò tó ṣe kún stadium. Tí wọ́n bá gbé ẹ̀dà sọnù báyìí tí wọ́n gbé tọ́jú ẹ̀ sínú the trash tí wọ́n flush ẹ̀ down the toilet. Táwọn èèyàn ṣe máa túyáyá ó máa ju ti nìjẹ́ lọ. Kódà ní satellite ní space wọ́n máa rí. Ṣé wọ́n rántí ìgbà tí tensas tí wọ́n rí àwọn ọmọ yẹn tí wọ́n rí wọn ní outer space tó fi sọ pé something is going on in Nigeria o to draw attention eléyìí tó bá lé ẹ lọ báyẹn ó máa jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ jubilation yẹn celebration yẹn ó ti máa pọ̀ jù eléyìí tó wọ́n gbé ẹ síbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé kò píìnì ò dùn àwọn èèyàn máa tú síta o so má tán ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ irú èèyàn ni irú Ọlọ́run ni ò sí irú èèyàn pé gbà you are not the most qualified for the job don't say you are replaceable. Far better qualified, energetic, sound mind, fit for the job. Who are you? Sets of puppets, boy, studio, UK, àti ojú òtí ẹ̀tẹ̀ ọmọ ọnú ẹ̀, ìmí díẹ̀ Macron, ó wá lọ sí kíní ó wá dì mọ́ bí ìgbà tí ajá bá dì mọ́ eegun. Bí ìgbà tẹ́já bá dì mí egun àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń jàjà wọn Russia àti kíní wọ́n ń jàjà wọn wá fẹ́ kó proxy wọn ó fẹ́ kó wá nísìnyí báyìí sí o ti gbódó mi ọkàn ò ní balẹ̀ ọba rọ ẹni ṣe odò ọba kó senate wọ́n ti láwọn ò ṣe kí ló wá fẹ́ ṣe kí ló fẹ́ ṣe ìwọ ló máa pín Nàìjíríà ọ̀nà gọ́mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ APC ẹgbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́ ibi tẹ́ bá Nàìjíríà dé náà ni. It's me. You will end up. O ma le wo ekwele tó lé báyìí òfò ni in all from all indication in all direction of pabo ni pabo ló já sí kó rẹ dà sọ́hùn kó rẹ dà sọ́hùn ọ̀rọ̀ ṣì àti wọ́ àtàwọn lawyers Ọlọ́run ló mọ bí tẹ́ ti jọ ríra yín wọ́n lo fọ́fìtì $460,000 lawyer sọ pé the $460,000 tó fọ́fìtì was decision to take láti fọ́fìtì was against the account in your name not to you yourself. How crazy is that? How shitty can it get? That is the lowest of the low. Pé your learned lawyer o àwọn sáàni ni o àbí àwọn kí ló gbà ni wọ́n lè máa reason bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni wọ́n lè máa reason kan máa sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn at the end of the day ṣe wọ́n sọ pé ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tòótọ́ ló fọ́fìtì kíni drug yẹn nígbà tí tó tún sọlọ wọ́n ní ṣèbó ti pẹ́ tó o ti ṣe despite the fact that pé Nigerian constitution sọ pé o gbọ́dọ̀ ní any criminal record kankan wọ́n ní ṣèbó ti pẹ́ tó o ti ṣe àti pé kò kí ṣe Nàìjíríà ló ti ṣe can you oh my God no wọ́n tún wá sọ wọ́n tún lórí dual citizenship wọ́n wá sọ pé your Guinean citizenship ó wà invalid since the passport expire ní 2020 says who ó ga fún ẹ ó ga fún ẹ gan ni rádaràda àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ rádaràda rán lẹ́nu wọn àtàwọn lawyers wọ́n ń gé yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ń bọ̀rùka à ń jèkúrú kó tán báyìí ẹ tún máa gbọ̀n míì sí wo ti wá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ gòdò gàn wá báyìí sí ṣé bó ti lọ pawó o ti lọ fawọ́ wá ṣé bó ti lọ fọ awọ́ wà torí kó lè bá a dúró kó torí kó má bàa lé ẹ. Àwítán àwọn France náà àwọn náà ń tẹ wọ́n ní ẹ pé o ní láti prove ara ẹ fún ta ni àwọn tí wọ́n máa tiẹ̀ pa ni prove ara ẹ fún ta ni. Who are you proving yourself for? What are you proving? What are you proving? Ọ̀sẹ̀kẹ̀ kí ló tiẹ̀ sọ náà? Kí ló sọ? Some people baited. Okay. Tinubu said he was aware some people baited him before the poll, stressing that he deliberately honored their wishes to prove he can still win pretty in spite of obstacles. Wo jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ tó o bá try òṣì school nonsense tó o sọ bí bá pé some people baited you ṣé o mọ̀ pé báyìí sìn France America àti UK ṣé o mọ̀ pé bait ni wọ́n tí wọ́n gbé wá fún ẹ̀yìn ṣá. So nǹkan tó ń sọ nísìnyí ni pé o máa deliberately honour ẹ̀ wà tó honour eléyìí to prove to them that he can o lè win eléyìí o lè win o need láti prove anything o yára ẹ ní brain o need láti prove anything for anybody. ECOWAS chairman tí wọ́n fi ẹjẹ́ is not a permanent thing o èmi ò rí bígì bẹ́ẹ̀ o bó o dúró ọdún mẹ́rin bó o dúró ọdún mẹ́rin nígbà tó bá ṣe táìmù ẹ̀ tó wọ́n á gbẹ́ lòmíì sí o bó bá dẹ̀ gbẹ kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́la ẹlòmíì tó bá jẹ president ni wọ́n máa fi sí. So it's not that pé oyè àjẹwà bó oyè àjẹkú it's not oyè àjẹkú even this so-called presidency tó fẹ́ pa gbogbo èèyàn nítorí ẹ̀ sí yìí at most ọdún mẹ́jọ ni lẹ́yìn ọdún mẹ́jọ o Monte Kilimanjaro tó gùn máa sọ̀kalẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. So ya jẹ́ kó rí ẹ pé o kó yára ẹ ní brain o ìwọ tí ẹ ní ṣòro àwọn ará òkè ọya àwọn Haúsá wọ́n á farabalẹ̀ ṣó ẹ ṣó mọ̀ pé àwọn governors wọ́n ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀ o ti rán Sultan of Sokoto o ti rán Abdulsalam o ti rán King Ibe o ti rán wọn lọ wọ́n ti lọ sí lìjẹ àwọn yẹn ti lọ protect interest wọn ni ibẹ̀ làwọn kó treasure ti wọn sí àti Buhari tó tiẹ̀ ní ẹni tí wọ́n tẹ́ bá halẹ̀ jù ní nàìjọ òun náà nìjẹ́ kò rí nìjẹ́ èdè sínsìn kò lè rí nìjẹ́ èdè sí mọ́ àbí àwọn yẹn lọ protect interest wọn o ti rán wọn lọ ṣé o rí pé wọ́n ti ń fẹ́ létí ṣé o rí pé wọ́n ti ń fohùn sílẹ̀ fún ẹ àwọn náà dá kinní kan ọmọ ọsàn tí ń kó pọ́npọ́ báyẹ̀ ṣé o rí pé wọ́n ti ń ta ohun sí Yorùbá pé ẹ tó bá jẹ́ pé Yorùbá ló 7 states Yorùbá ló wà níbi táwọn wà ṣé o máa sọ pé kógun wá ṣé o ti rí báyìí sí o ṣàfẹ́ dájà ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà àti ìjẹ̀sí o fẹ́ dálẹ̀ kò sígbà tí wọ́n kú ò ní kú dálẹ̀ ò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí mọ́kù tètè kú ni kò sí jàǹbẹ́ ilé títí ẹ̀ ń jóná mi ò mọ nǹkan tó kọ̀ nípa nìjẹ́ gbogbo náà tó wà nínú ò tí ì bomi pa if anything ó tún tako sí ni èṣù tako sí òwa ní yà facing challenges in court wo èyí tó fèsì yóò ju challenges in court lọ challenges in court nìkan ni challenges in all facets and aspects of the economy kí ló ń sọ alóhùn ti gbódó mi ọkọ ẹ ò lè balẹ̀ challenges ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni nígbà tó wá fèsì challenges kan get over yourself bí mẹ̀kúnnù náà ṣe ń fèsì ẹ̀ nìyẹn ayé ò dẹ̀ torí ẹ̀ parẹ́ now so excuse me get over yourself. That is Tinubu. He said a lot of coded words there. He passed a lot of coded messages. He was talking to his party people. Ẹjọ́ máa yanjú ẹ̀. But máa try rádaràda pé àwọn kan bait ẹ you now deliberately honoured their wishes. So pé kìíní kò lè work ní that scenario. Máa apply ẹ̀ sí this Niger thing. Ó máa boomerang o. Body loan ó máa go up in smoke kìíní o. There was a country. Shio rada was facing challenges. At least o ṣáà ti admit. Kò sí jàmbẹ́ bó ṣe ní o wrestle with the pig in the pod nìyẹn. he went to the river and wrestled with the pig. Ìwọ ló mẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ tó ń bá jà káàkiri. Ẹjọ́ máa yanjú ẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ máa yanjú ẹ̀. But you man always give a clue. So, but máa apply eléyìí sí Nìjẹ̀ ṣá. Kò tèmi máa sọ fún ẹ ní. If not, tó bá okay tí Nàìjíríà bá wá go up in smoke, UK wá wá fi UK ṣe ancestral land ẹ̀. Àbí America ló máa fi ṣe ancestral land ẹ̀. Àbí France ló máa fi ṣe ancestral land ẹ̀. Orí ẹ̀ ò pé. So guys, rada. It's Tinubu and his many challenges. But kò fèsì challenge nígbà tó fẹ́ kó àwọn thieves tó fẹ́ kó wọn sí all the tiers of government. Kò sí challenge fún. Ìyẹn náà dàbọ̀ tó bá ti kọ̀rọ̀ mẹ̀kúnnù ó máa ní challenges. Challenge lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àpáta, of course. Challenge ló múlé sínsìn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àpáta. Ẹ̀yin ará challenge ẹ kú àlejò kò sí jàmbá. Ẹ ti ní new neighbor o. Tinubu ti kó wá sí challenge o. Ẹ bá ń fún ní rousing welcome o. Challenge lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àpáta. So guys, thanks for listening to me. Thanks for listening to me. Until I come your way again. Bye.